Hello, hi, good morning. Ako po muli si Dr. Grace Carol P. Beltran, your dermatologist, a dermatologic surgeon, your obesity resource person, and your gynecologist. Ito na yung fourth video mula dun sa first video na introduce ko sa inyo yung mga bagong available treatments na available na sa clinic, no? So if you are interested in these treatments, you can just get in touch with me later through my numbers, no? Ang fourth topic po natin ay yung NAD or yung nicotinamide adenine diphosphatase treatment, IV therapy. Okay. Itong NAD, no, we call it as NAD IV therapy. We call it the molecule of life, longevity, and cellular repair. Kasi ano ba yung ginagawa ng NAD IV therapy? Well, it enhance energy and reduce fatigue. Bakit? Kasi ang NAD or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide is essential for the production of ATP. Ang ATP, ito yung the body's primary source of energy, no? Ito yung ating, kumbaga sa energy currency. Ito yung pera ng katawan natin to produce energy. Ngayon, when you boost the NAD level through the IV therapy, you may increase the stamina, physical activity, and combat chronic fatigue. So, to avoid chronic fatigue, you can do this to yourself, the NAD IV therapy. And then pangalawa, it also improves brain function. Kung ikaw ay may brain fog, this treatment will enhance mental clarity, focus, and memory. It supports neurotransmitter function. Yung mga neurotransmitter, ito yung nagfa-function para maging active yung brain mo, tsaka yung mga nervous system mo, yung mga spinal cord, brain and spinal cord. Ito yung nagpo-produce ng parang communication, no, sa ating brain and spinal cord. And then it may help protect against age-related cognitive decline or cognitive failure. Ibig sabihin yung pag-iisip natin, mas na-enhance kapag tayo ay naggumagawa ng NAD IV therapy. And then the next, it also helps in as an anti-aging and helps in cellular repair. Ang NAD kasi, it plays a pivotal role in DNA repair and cellular regeneration. As a result, it helps in improving skin appearance and overall vitality. Kasi it also activates the longevity protein called sirtuins, no? Kaya mas mahaba yung buhay natin, mas bumabata tayo, mas maganda yung ating overall vitality. And then it also supports for addiction recovery. Yung sa mga drug addicts na nahirapan mag-recover because of their withdrawal symptoms, it's nice to incorporate NAD IV therapy in their treatment, no, yung rehabilitation program nila. Kaya mas maganda kung these two are being done to those people who are addicted and on their way to recovery through the rehabilitation. Mas maganda kung combination. And then, the last three is that it improves metabolism and weight management. So, hindi lang to nagpapaganda ng balat, nagpapaganda ng kutis, nagpapabata, kundi nagpapapayat din po ito at tinutulungan yung ating metabolism para mas mag-function properly, para hindi tayo tumaba at mabawasan yung ating weight gain. And then it also reduces inflammation and pain, no? So, it may help in chronic pain and inflammation by activating enzymes that switch off the inflammatory responses in the body. It helps activate the enzymes that switch off the inflammatory responses in our body. And then the last is that for mga athletes, when you do NAD IV therapy, it enhances your performance, no? Mas gumagaling ka as an athlete, kung ikaw yung runner, mas mabilis ang takbo mo, mas yung coordination mo at saka yung yung tawag dito, yung endurance mo mas maganda kasi nga nag-NAD IV therapy ka. Tsaka yung performance mo mas nagiging parang nado-double, natitriple yung galing mo pag ikaw ay athlete. So, if you're an athletic type of person and you're competing in athletic mga programs, then this is one treatment that could help you achieve your goals to be the gold achiever. Okay. So, for any more questions, just please get in touch through my numbers and please like and share my account.